Imagine you've managed to put aside $2,400. That feels good. But now the money has two very different jobs. Your car will need a $600 repair within 6 months, and you'd like the remaining $1,800 to help you move somewhere new about 7 years from now. Should all $2,400 sit in the same place? Probably not. And that gets us to the real difference between saving and investing. Saving is about making sure your money is there when you need it. The priority is access and stability. You're not asking the money to perform, you're asking it to be ready. Investing is about giving your money a chance to grow over time. But in exchange for that opportunity, you accept uncertainty. Its value will move, sometimes up, sometimes down, and growth is never guaranteed. Let's go back to that $2,400. It belongs to Nora, who works at Sunrise Bakery. Start with the car repair. Nora expects to need $600 within 6 months. If she invests that money and it falls to $480 just before the appointment, she still owes the mechanic $600. The deadline didn't move just because the market did, so the repair money has a saving job. Nora's goal isn't to squeeze out the highest possible return. Her goal is to have $600 available when the bill arrives. The other $1,800 has a different job. Nora doesn't expect to need it for about 7 years. That longer timeline may give her room to invest it and wait through some of the ups and downs along the way. That doesn't mean 7 years guarantees a profit. It doesn't. It means the distant goal has more flexibility than the 6-month repair. As the move gets closer, Nora may decide that some of the money should stop taking investment risk and return to savings. The job changes because the deadline changes. And here's the part people often miss. Saving and investing are not competing teams. Saving is not what you do before you become a real investor. And investing is not a more impressive version of saving. Most people need both. One protects money that has an appointment. The other gives long-term money room to grow. So when you're deciding what to do with money, ask 3 questions. What is this money for? When will I need it? And if its value falls before then, can the goal wait? If the money must be ready soon, saving usually fits that job. If the goal is years away and can handle an uncertain path, investing may fit. That's the difference. Saving makes sure the money is ready. Investing gives the money time to grow. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple investing lessons.